Next question is from Priyal Jan. She's asking, what do we have to do to become a web designer while pursuing BCA? Priyal, it's very thoughtful for you that you have already decided to become a web designer. However, if you want to become a web designer, BCA was not the path to go, because BCA primarily teaches you about web development rather than designing. It just gives you a basic understanding of the things which are needed in designing. But for becoming a web designer, probably you should have gone for some designing related course or some creative course. However, let me tell you, since you have already joined the BCA course, so let me tell you what you can do while doing BCA to become a web designer once you complete your BCA. The first step would be to learn about CSS in deep. So learn about CSS. How does CSS work? Don't learn about the basics of the CSS, learn about the complex part of the CSS. That is how you can manipulate CSS, how you can do animations using CSS, how you can create a complete screen using CSS and HTML. So you have to first learn HTML and CSS. You don't have to create the workflow that the screen should flow from one end to how the screen flow works, that some data should be entered or something should happen. But you should know how to do animations, like how to create a responsive design, that it should shrink in mobile and it should expand on tablet, and the thing should not break when shrinking or expanding. So those kind of things, how to write media queries in CSS, how to manipulate CSS using Sass language or Less language. I think I don't know, Sass or Less is a language or a framework, I'm not very sure about it, but you need to know about Sass and Less and how to work with CSS and HTML. So first thing is this, that you need to learn about working with HTML and CSS. The second thing which I always tell everyone, that while learning, practice those things, create practical examples and publish those examples on your GitHub profile. So create a GitHub profile and publish your source code or examples on GitHub profile. And the third step would be to showcase those examples in the form of a profile site. So you can create a profile site of yours where you can showcase all your design samples. There are many free hosting solutions available using which you can showcase all your HTML profiles. Even Azure gives you static web hosting for free. So you can create a static website on Azure and host it for free. They don't charge anything. So right now static web hosting is free on Azure. You can create your HTML CSS website and host it on Azure. You don't need to buy any domain or URL. It will be randomly generated by your Azure. However, you can just put that link on your GitHub profile, that when you host the source code on, when you publish the source code on GitHub, in the description or in the readme of your GitHub, you can put some screenshots and tell that you can see this site working live here, and you can put the link of the Azure site there. So this way you can create your designer portfolio. So this is the third step. Last but not the least, try to acquire some freelance work. So there are many websites which gives you freelance work or freelance design work, web design work, like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. So you can try to acquire some freelance work based on whatever you have learned and whatever you have showcased. So you have to follow first 3 steps. First, that you have to learn HTML, CSS, you have to create your GitHub profile, and you have to publish your designs in the form of a website. So once you have created all these 3 steps, then you can try to acquire some freelance works, so that once you complete your BCA, you should be able to add all these things in your resume, and you can tell the recruiter or the company, whoever you are joining, that you have done these many things while learning itself. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care, bye bye.